and welcome back to my channel. If you're tired of dull, sagging skin and you're looking for a natural way to lift, tighten, and bring back that youthful glow, then this video is just for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a 100% natural collagen-boosting mask using simple ingredients like banana peel and rice. Yes, banana peel. You'll be surprised by how powerful this remedy is for fine lines, dullness, sagging, and uneven skin tone. So grab your notepad or just follow along as I walk you through each step and explain the amazing benefits behind every ingredient. Now let's talk about why this mask is so effective and what each ingredient does for your skin. Banana peel. Don't throw those peels away. Banana peels are rich in vitamin A, C, and E and packed with antioxidants. They help reduce fine lines, improve elasticity, and promote collagen production. They also soothe inflamed skin and make your complexion more even and glowing. Rice is a time-tested beauty secret used in many Asian skincare routines. It contains ferulic acid, which is a powerful antioxidant, and allantoin, which helps soothe and repair the skin. Rice water is also known to tighten skin and improve brightness naturally. Milk powder milk is rich in lactic acid, which gently exfoliates dead skin cells and encourages cell renewal. It also contains proteins and enzymes that nourish, soften, and hydrate your skin, giving it a smooth and healthy glow. Corn flour acts like a natural skin tightening agent. It gives the skin an instant lifted feel and helps absorb excess oil, making it great for oily and combination skin types. It also gives your mask a beautiful creamy texture. Lemon juice. Lemon is full of vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis. It also lightens dark spots, reduces pigmentation, and adds a radiant glow. Just remember, if you have sensitive skin, reduce the amount or use orange peel powder instead. Let's start by making the base of our mask. Take 1 banana peel and 2 tablespoons of rice. Add both into a pan with 2 glasses of water. Now cook this on medium heat until the water reduces and you're left with just a little bit. About 4 to 5 tablespoons of thick, starchy water with the boiled ingredients. Turn off the heat, let it cool slightly, and then transfer everything into a blender or grinder. Blend it into a smooth paste. Strain the paste using a fine cloth or strainer. We want a creamy, smooth texture. No lumps, no chunks, just like a light cream. This will make the mask easy to apply and absorb better into your skin. Now take 2 tablespoons of this creamy paste and transfer it to a clean bowl. Add the following ingredients: 1 tablespoon of dry milk powder, 1 tablespoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice. Mix everything well until you have a soft, smooth paste. And that's it. Your natural collagen mask is ready to use. To apply the mask, make sure your face is clean and dry. Use your fingers or a brush to apply a thick layer evenly over your face and neck. Let it sit for 20 minutes or until it's semi-dry. Then rinse off with lukewarm water and pat your skin dry with a soft towel. Use this mask 2 to 3 times per week, and within just a few uses, you'll start to notice brighter, smoother skin, reduced dullness, firmer, more youthful texture, and a natural, healthy glow. Let me know in the comments how it worked for you. And if you'd like more natural anti-aging remedies like this one. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you